Hello, everyone. Have you ever wanted to say no to someone but felt too shy or awkward?
Yes, sometimes saying no is so difficult.
Don't worry. Today, George and I will show you how to say no politely in 3 everyday situations. Hello? Linda, the mall has a big 70% sale today. Put on a dress. I'm picking you up in 5 minutes. Oh, Mary, I wish I could. But look at my house. It's a total disaster. I'm covered in dust right now. Come on. Just 1 hour. I'll have to pass this time, girl. I need to save this house first. Enjoy your shopping. Next time, I'm definitely coming with you. All right, deal. Good luck with cleaning.
Hi, George. Are you busy?
A little.
What's up? I'm really behind on this report. Do you think you could give me a hand? I'd love to help, but my report is due tomorrow morning. I really need to finish it tonight.
Come on, George. It'll only take 20 minutes. Coffee's on me tomorrow. That's tempting.
And I'll even get you your favorite chocolate muffin. I'd love to help, but if I don't finish my report tonight, I'll be in trouble tomorrow.
Yeah, I understand. Tell you what, if you still need help tomorrow morning, I'll come in a little early. We'll finish it together.
Really? That would be amazing. Thanks, George.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow morning.
Try our new luxury coffee. Only $50 a bag. Would you like to buy one?
I'm afraid not, but thank you.
But sir, it's organic coffee from Colombia.
Thanks for the offer, but I'm just looking today.
I see. Have a nice day, sir.
What match, George? Here, have a cold beer. Oh, Paul, that sounds great. But I'm afraid I have to pass. Come on, George. Just 1 beer for the match. I'd love to, but my stomach is acting up again. The doctor told me to avoid alcohol. Oh no, really? Stomach again? Yeah, I have to skip the beer tonight, get me some warm water, and I'll still cheer with you. You got it, buddy. Health first. Thanks for understanding, Paul. You're a great friend.
See? Saying no is simple when you know the right words.
Remember the 3-step refusal rule. First, say something nice. That sounds great. Or, I'd love to.
Second, say no politely and give a reason. But I have to pass because.
Third, end with appreciation. Thanks for understanding. Or, thanks for asking.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.